Hey, what up YouTube? So this is going to be part 4 of the k20z1 CRX-SI, and today we're going to be getting this bracket welded on. So we already kind of marked it and cleaned it up and everything, so we're going to go ahead and start tacking up the welds so we can start dropping the motor in hopefully this weekend, and showing you guys how to mock up for the subframe for the headers and anything else we need to as far as the throttle as well, clutch cable or hydro line that we're going to be doing the conversion from Hush Performance, and doing the radiator as well. And because I got the VW Jetta, I believe, and I just got to trim some the plastic on the side for it to fit, but it should tuck in here really good. So right now got JFab, he's going to come over here and throw on some welds and hopefully get this all sturdy so we can get ready to drop the engine in soon. All right, so right now we are back, and let me show you some progress that we've done on the CRX so far. So we got the traction bars slightly mounted up just to make sure equal length and everything. Just wanted to see how they fit. So when we reinforced them, just to make sure they're super strong, because we didn't really like the wheels that they put on here. They only did it on one side of the tab, so we're gonna double it so that both sides have reinforcement, and then we'll respray it. We got our tabs that we've made custom, so the radiator's in there really good, just using the top ones, but we're gonna do some bottom ones as well, so it's in there perfect. And then this is where our fan's gonna be push instead of pull, so that's gonna be mounted in there. And then right now I've also started on the fuel system. So I did pre-did my one to my fuel rail. That's gonna go to that to a push on AN6, and then I got my return already basically ready. And then I'm gonna use a crushed quarter fitting and 6N to come to feed to the inline fuel filter right here, so it's all tucked in everything. Other than that, the fuel system will be ready. The next video I'll probably do the gas tank, show you guys how to drop the gas tank and install the upgraded fuel pump. Other than that, we're going to be painting this black, make it look clean again, and then just making all this, get it all back black again since it's been modified and everything. So we'll do that, and then we'll probably conclude the video. Just have basically everything. This is what you need to be fully prepped on the CRX. The radiator was the main thing today, because there's not too many aftermarket ones that are cheap. They're like 300 and up, so this one was like a $100 radiator, and like I said, just did a little fabrication and it works fine. It looks really good and it fits perfect. So show you how it looks. It looks really good. So next video also I'll show you which hoses I'm going to be using, and then just to show you why I don't have a radiator cap present is because I got the adapter. So let me show you what that looks like, just in case anybody wants to do the same thing. So this is it right here. So I'm just gonna I'll show you the hoses like I said on the next video when I'm actually installing the engine, and show you how this is going to work. So right now we'll go ahead and start knocking the rest of the stuff out so we can conclude this video. All right, so we are back now, and as you can see, it's all painted up, looking factory. So when we drop a motor in, it's just going to look all OEM as possible. Did the brackets for the radiator as well. So that's basically going to conclude the video for today. Next video we'll be doing gas tank and shifter install from Hybrid Racing, and hopefully we have the engine, or the transmission, so we can drop the engine in and start finishing this thing up. So if you haven't liked, share, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think. Hit that notification if you want to see my uploads as soon as I upload them. If you want to get in contact with me, it's kseriesworks, and that's on Instagram, or you can email me at honda.mike1988@gmail.com. So way more content coming soon, guys. Stay tuned, and I'll see you guys later.